Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Hamster Kombat login problem on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Turn off and on Wi-Fi connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 2. Disconnected VPN. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap VPN and Device Management. Tap on VPN. Disconnected VPN if it's connected. Solution number 3. Offload Telegram app and reinstall app. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap iPhone storage. On the iPhone storage page, scroll down, tap on Telegram app. On the Telegram page, tap on Offload app. Again Offload app. Now reinstall app. Solution number 4. Restart your device. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Thanks for watching this video.